How to see your Facebook password on your phone. Let me say you at first only that you cannot see your Facebook password from your Facebook. For that, you must go on the settings of your device. After going on the settings of your device, just tap on Google. After tapping on Google, tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on Security. After tapping on Security, just scroll down and down and down up until you see the option of Manage Passwords. So these are all the apps that my passwords are saved in my Google. So I can simply see my password of my Facebook by tapping here, and my Google password from here, and other apps password that I've saved in my this Google account. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If this helped you, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any queries or suggestions, then please do comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.